In this video, I'll show you how to boost a Facebook post so you can reach more people and increase engagement on your content. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the account that manages the page. Tap the menu icon in the corner of the screen, then tap Pages and select the page where the post was published. Once the page opens, scroll through your posts and find the one you want to promote. Under that post, tap the Boost Post button. This will open the promotion setup screen. Now choose your audience by selecting who you want to reach, such as people who like your page or a custom audience based on location, age, and interests. After that, set your budget and choose how long you want the promotion to run. Facebook will show an estimate of how many people your post could reach based on your settings. Next, review your payment method if required. Once everything looks good, tap Boost Post Now to start the promotion. Your post will then begin running as a sponsored post and will reach a wider audience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.